Let's learn the digraph qua. When Q has a friend U, they both together make the sound of qua. Let's learn with a phonic song. The duck in a pond quacks quack quack quack, quack quack quack, quack quack quack. The duck in the pond quacks quack 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 all around the pond. Here are some examples. Like in the word quack, Q and U make the sound of qua and A has the phonics a. C and K is a separate digraph which makes the sound k. So it's qua, a, k, quack, qua, e, k, quick, qua, e, queen, qua, a, ts, quads. More examples are quill, quail. Let's learn the digraph O. When O and A come together, it makes the sound of O. Let's learn with the phonic song. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Here are some examples. O. In this word, boat, B and T are separate phonics and O and A makes the sound of O. Next is goat, G, O, goat, goal, G, O, goal. Here are some more examples. Float, goat, loaf, road, toad, and boat. Let's learn the digraph A. When A and I come together, it makes the sound of A. Let's learn with the phonic song. My ear hurt, I was in pain, A. My ear hurt, I was in pain, what did you try to say? Here is an example. You say the phonics of T, A, U. T and L are separate phonics and A and I become together make the sound of A. T, A, L. A, I, A. Like rain, like snail. Here are some more examples with the sound A. Like tail, snail, rail, rain, main, train, pain, nail. Let's learn the digraph ng. When N and G come together, it makes the sound of ng. Let's learn with the phonic song. If you are strong and you know it, say ng. If you are strong and you know it, say ng. If you are strong and you know it and you really wanna show it, if you are strong and you know it, say ng. Here are some examples. K, E, ng, king. S, t, o, ng, strong. E, ng, ring. S, e, ng, sing. Let's learn the digraph E. When E and E come together, it makes the sound of E. Let's learn with the phonic song. See the donkey in its stall, or is it called? Here are some examples. T, eat, teeth. B, e, bee. E like in the word bee. B, e, bee. J, e, p, jeep. F, e, t, feet. S, e, p, sleep. In the word knee, K is silent, so it's n, e, knee. Let's learn the digraph or. When O and R come together, it makes the sound of or. Let's learn with a phonics song. See the donkey in its stall, E-R is its call. Here is an example, cork. K, or, k, cork. K and k are separate phonics and O and R makes the sound of or. Here are some more examples. Horn, corn, fork, storm, shorts. Let's learn the digraph I. When I and E come together, it makes the sound of I. Let's learn with a phonics song. The captain said aye. The captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye. Here is an example. Tie. And we read it with the phonics like t, I, tie. Some more examples. Cried, k, I, d, cried. Pie, p, I, pie. Let's learn with more examples, which are pie, plier, dryer, spice. Let's learn the digraph O. When O and O come together, it makes the sound of O. There are two types of digraphs come together with O sound. One is O and another is oo, short vowel and long vowel. Let's learn both with a phonics song. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Here is the example of oo sound, long vowel. B, oo, boo, l, oo, loo, oo, moo, z, oo, zoo. Here are examples of both short vowel and long vowel. So learn first the short vowel, and it's oo. Look, book, brook, cook, foot, good, hook, look, nook, retook, shook, stood, took, wood, wool, unhook. Now the turn of the long vowel is oo, like in the word cool, k, oo, l, cool, b, oo, boo, b, oo, t, boot, cool, fool, moon, noon, pool, room, root, school, spool, spoon, stool, tool, zoo.